Do you need to see Mr. Tarver and Mr. Davis?
No, the judge is doing her preliminary hearing. We'll see Tarver and the rest of those people after she finishes her prelim.
Oh, it's Darren Timothy Davis. Okay.
You're ready to do Davis now, Judge?
No. I just because y'all said that was proper name.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Okay. So we're live on YouTube. We are. Are you Mr. Rashid Akim? The defendant has indicated that he is Mr. Quim. We're about to start your preliminary hearing. This is State of Georgia versus Rashid Akim Quayam, charged in warrant number 2025 CW 53898, simple assault. 2025 CW 53899, riot in a penal institution. Representing the state is ADA Thomas, representing the defendant is Attorney Rogers. Your witness, ADA Thomas.
Thank you, Your Honor. Sergeant, could you please raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear and affirm that the evidence you shall give before the court shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but God?
Yes.
You can put your hand down, state your name for the record.
Sergeant Q. Williams.
And how are you employed, Sergeant?
With the Clayton County Sheriff's Office.
And were you so employed on June 14th, 2025?
Yes.
And did you have occasion to investigate an incident that occurred at 9157 Terra Boulevard?
Yes.
And did that incident involve Rashid Akim Quayam?
Yes.
And could you please explain to the court the nature of the incident involving Mr. Quayam?
Yeah, but I'm trying to see something with him. That don't really look like him.
They will need to pull his mask down.
Yeah, because that I'm kind of a little confused.
Jail. Are y'all able to pull his mask down a little bit?
Okay, never mind. He cut his hair. That's him.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Okay, cool. Now, what happened involving?
You broke up. I'm sorry, Ms. Thomas. What did you say?
What happened involving this defendant, Mr. Quayam?
On that day, I had a call in reference to ag assault, dealing with the suspect here. I can't really pronounce his last name. Well, I would say Mr. Akim, and another victim who did the stabbing. When I went back and I looked at the video footage, that's when I was able to see the gentleman here hit another inmate with a net bag that had a tray inside of it.
Now, let me stop you for a second. I don't think I've ever seen this. When you say a net bag, what are we talking about? Is it like a Kroger bag, or what are we talking about?
It's a net bag, exactly what I'm saying. It's like a bag that's made out of net, like a net bag. No, it's like made out of yarn or something like that, but it's what the inmates put their clothes inside of.
Okay.
Like a lunch bag.
Okay. And a food tray, is this bag big enough to hold a food tray?
Yes, it's big, it's wide.
And what is the food tray made out of?
I would say plastic. It's not glass.
So it's like a hard plastic, or is it metal?
Yeah, it's a hard plastic.
Okay. Now, who did he hit with the bag with the tray inside?
Mr. Goodrum.
Did Mr. Goodrum do anything to him first?
No, He was cleaning up his room, and I was able to see it on camera. He was
So
watching.
Mr. Goodrum was cleaning his room when Mr. Pine, I guess, walks by and hits him with the bag.
Yeah,
Where did he hit him at?
I can't recall, but I remember him like throwing that bag because Mr. Goodrum was walking into his room.
Okay.
As he was walking in his room, he hit him with the bag. He slung and hit the bag, and that's when Mr. Goodrum turned around and stabbed him.
Okay, so he hit him in the head or it just in the body area somewhere?
Can't really say right now where he hit him at.
But you do recall what Mr. Goodrum did to react?
No, ma'am. Yes, I just remember what he did after the action was taking place.
And you said he stabbed him? He stabbed Mr. Quine?
Mr. Who?
Mr. Rashid?
Yes. Yes, he did.
What did he stab him with?
A fabricated knife, which we call a shank inside the sheriff's office.
But this didn't happen until after this had initiated.
Yes.
Okay. Was the victim hurt?
They both were victims.
I couldn't hear the last part.
Which victim?
The victim of the tray.
Was he hurt?
Yes, Mr. Goodrum.
He didn't have any marks on him.
Was Mr. Rashid hurt?
He got stabbed.
Are inmates allowed to physically hit other inmates with a tray or otherwise?
No, ma'am.
Was this gentleman given any type of special permission to hit Mr. Goodrum?
No.
And did you see it? Did you actually see the incident when it happened?
No, I went back and looked at the camera footage.
And the camera footage showed the entire incident?
Yeah, it showed everything.
Does it have audio or just video?
Just video.
Did you have occasion to talk to Mr. Rashid after all this happened?
Yes, I talked to both.
And what did he say?
He said that the guy was trying to take his golds out of his, he called them grills, but they're considered golds that people wear inside their mouth.
Did you see Mr. Goodrum doing anything towards Mr. Rashid before this happened?
I did not.
So the defendant is thinking the victim is going to take his teeth. Is that what he said?
The golds, yes.
Did you interview the victim, Mr. Goodrum?
Yes.
What did he have to say about all this?
He said he was just cleaning up his room when Mr. Quine struck him with the net bag with the tray inside of it.
Is what you saw on the video consistent with what Mr. Goodrum said?
Yes, exactly what I saw.
Him cleaning his room?
Yes. He was walking towards his room. Yes, ma'am. He was cleaning outside of his room and walking towards back. He was walking towards his room. He wasn't even facing the suspect here when he hit him. He was turned backwards.
Okay.
Behind.
Now, officer, you charged Mr. Rashid with violating the penal institution. Why would you charge that?
Because he caused chaos inside of the housing unit with the other inmates.
And you also have him charged with a simple assault, which is a misdemeanor. Do you intend to charge him with aggravated assault, the felony?
Ag assault?
Judge, I'm gonna object. Excuse me, I'm objecting. It's irrelevant.
Actually, it is relevant. Very
No,
relevant.
it's not.
All
That's
right,
not
and so ADA Thomas, I agree with Attorney Rogers. I don't think that that's an appropriate question. Whether or not she
believe why I'm
intended to
asking
do
her is that
something
she
different than what she did.
The reason why I'm asking her, Your Honor, is that she mentioned aggravated assault. So that's why I'm trying to find out, was this warrant not done? Does that not reflect what she intended?
Judge, that doesn't go to probable cause for the charges that he's charged.
Aggravated assault was for the Mr. Good.
So that's not what's shown.
All right, so I'm gonna sustain, move on, ADA Thomas.
Oh, yeah, I'm done. Oh, wait a minute. I'm sorry. The person that we have been talking about, Mr. Rashid, do you see them in court today?
Yes, ma'am.
physical appearance or article of clothing?
I see him physical appearance with the white mask and the orange jumpsuit.
Thank you. No, that's
You're
all I have.
All righty. Attorney Rogers.
Thank you. Sergeant Williams, are you the lead on this case?
Yes.
And if I understood correctly, somebody called you in to, I guess, to investigate it and make the charging decision. Is that what happened?
Yes, sir.
And so you said you watched the video. How did you get the video? Like, did somebody provide it to you? Or did you just log into a system? How did you get the video?
I went to the camera room and I have access to the cameras to the jail.
Okay. And so when you watched the video about, I guess, well, let me ask, over what period of time do the events that you discussed so far, like how long does that take place over? Like a few seconds, a few minutes? How long are we talking?
It happened, I would say the incident occurred pretty fast. It wasn't a long period of time.
Okay. Let me ask, because if I understand correctly, you said Mr. Goodrum is going to his room?
Yes, he was walking back towards his room.
Okay. Do you see where he's coming from before he's headed in that direction?
He was he was cleaning up. He was going to the I would say the toilet area.
When you say, I guess I just want to make sure I'm visualizing it correctly. When you say the toilet area, is that in the, I'm assuming the way I'm understanding what you're saying, he's coming from somewhere outside of his room or something like that? Headed
Yes,
toward?
and if you don't understand what that is, it's like the area where all the inmates be out at together.
Okay, it kind of broke up, but I'm thinking you might have meant, you said the day room? Is that what
Yeah.
you said? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Do you see from, I guess, as far as the video that you watched regarding the incident, do you see what's going on in the day room prior to the incident?
No, I just watched the video. I just watched up until where the incident occurred.
Okay. So, and that's just because I want to make sure we're clear on the same page. Partly because the reception, I don't know if it's on my end or whatever, but it's kind of breaking up at times. So if I'm understanding, when you start the video that you see, Mr. Goodrum is headed from the day room, correct?
Yes, he's in the day room and he's going back to his room.
Okay. It kind of broke up again for me, but I think you said he's in the day room and then it got real broken up.
He was in the day room and he was walking back towards his assigned cell.
Okay. And do you see Mr. Kayem in the day room at that point also?
Yes, he was walking around like casual.
Okay. As far as you can see, did they have any sort of interaction in the day room before Mr. Goodrum heads to his room?
Not that I can recall.
And I know you said it caused chaos, I think is the way you described it.
Mm-hmm.
Does that mean that there were other inmates around in the area to see it happen?
Yeah, it was quite a few people out.
Did you take any witness statements from anybody?
No, I saw what I need to see on camera.
And if I'm not mistaken, I think you said there's no audio. Did anyone discuss any, well, let me ask you like this. I think you mentioned Mr. Kayem said Mr. Goodrum was talking about or was trying to take his goals, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What did Mr. Kayem say how he knew that?
No.
Did he, and let's be a little more clear, did he ever say that Mr. Goodrum either said anything to him about it or tried to take him?
No, I asked him why did he stab him. He said he stabbed him because he was trying to get his goals.
You mean, okay, I think I'm a little confused. You mean, if I understood, Mr. Goodrum stabbed Mr. Kayem, correct?
Right.
Okay. Just now you said you asked him why he stabbed him and he said he was trying to get his goals.
I'm sorry, I asked him why did he strike him with the bag, and he was like, because he was trying to take my goals. But I thought it happened on camera. But during my investigation, neither one of them declined the charges of what they did to one another. They both admitted to what they did. Can you all hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. I'm just looking at my questions. Just give me 1 second.
Okay.
So let me ask you, when you say that Mr. Goodrum turns around and stabs Mr. Kayem at that point, do you see Mr. Goodrum retrieve a knife or anything, or the shank or whatever before that happens?
No, I guess he already had it in his jumpsuit.
Did okay. I think I'll leave it there. That's all for now. Thank you.
All right, any redirect?
Nothing from the state, Your Honor.
Closing arguments?
State will reserve.
All right, Attorney Rogers?
Judge, I guess I will say that this, as I'm understanding it, and I think I understand what Sergeant is getting at, in that from what she saw, there's nothing, visually that she saw that would explain anything. However, I do think that the issue being that there's a lack of audio, combined with the fact that Mr. Goodrum apparently was already armed, and Mr. Kayem is saying that, he's concerned that Mr. Goodrum is going to try to take property from him. I think the fact that Mr. Goodrum is armed implies that he's at least in a position to threaten people. So that would be consistent with Mr. Kayem's concern for his property. Only other thing I'll say is that one's right to self-defense and defense of their property does not terminate just because you're incarcerated. But you still have the right to defend yourself, Judge. So for those reasons, at this point, I'd ask for a dismissal. Thank you.
Go ahead. Ms. Thomas, ADA Thomas?
Your Honor, I believe the officer's testimony is fairly straightforward and clear, where she indicated that per the video system, she was able to see this man walk up to the victim who was cleaning his cell at the time and just hit him. The officer indicated that from what she could tell, and after her interviews with both of them, she couldn't see how the victim in this particular case instigated this at all. Now, the victim did respond and he did stab Mr. Rashid, but Mr. Rashid is definitely the one that started this. And in that regard, since he's the one that started, state would contend, based on his admissions and interviews with the other party and the video evidence that the officer was able to review, sufficient evidence has been presented to bind over both cases to the Superior Court.
All right, so based upon the evidence presented, I do find there is sufficient probable cause to bind these charges over to the Superior Court, Clayton County. That's the order of the court.
Thank you. Sergeant, you're free to go. Thank you.
Y'all have a good day.
Thank you. Thank you. Have a great one.
So I think, Judge, this gets it down to just me, isn't it? Am I correct? Or
Yes, sir.
all right, wonderful. Madam Prosecutor, we had one prelim of mine. Are we ready on that?
Yep.
All right, cool. And that is for defendant what?
Do I need to stop live stream, or are we ready to keep going?
I think we're gonna go right on into it, Judge.
Okay.
Sharon Davis. Now, what do you want to do with the other fellow?
Okay. All right. Then, Judge, yes, stop the